Hi Gems, welcome to HairGems by Gemeria. This is a place where we discuss a million ways in which you can celebrate and glorify your hair. I'm your host Nidhi, and today we are in conversation with style veteran, head of product development, and our co-founder, Mani Tyagi. How are you, Mani?
I'm well, and I'm really excited about our conversation today.
I am excited too. So, before we head straight into our conversation, could you help us know more about Gemeria?
Gemeria is a brand that has been supplying human hair extensions and wigs in international market from past 10 years. And we are an independent business. We have our manufacturing unit in Greater Noida, and we are now in the process of catering to specific needs of different demographics, which includes but is not limited to India, Europe, and the USA.
Oh my God, that's like half of the globe. So before we can start this conversation with an icebreaker. I get this question quite often from non-hair extension wearing girls: who should wear extensions?
The truth is, hair extensions are for everybody, and hair extensions gives you that extra volume and length, and sometimes even color, to style your hair without going through any hair damaging treatment like coloring. That includes bleaching, which causes hair fall and hair breakage.
Right. So are there any age boundaries when it comes to hair extensions?
There are no. Everybody can wear hair extensions who'd want to upscale their hair game. But 18-year onwards is a good time to invest in good quality hair extensions. But our extensions are also popular in kids. They wear our clip-in bangs and highlights.
Wow, that must be so cute.
Yes, that is.
All right. So can you walk us through the types of hair extensions that you provide?
First, I will tell you about our DIY range, which includes clip-in highlights. We have several colors in that, and we are regularly increasing the number of colors. This one's got a cult, following it with younger audiences.
I can totally imagine that.
The other one is the length and volume optimizers. Those are available in clip-ins. We also have hair toppers for the women who have wide hair parting or the hair or hair thinning in the scalp area. Right. And we have a special range for professionals as well, which includes I-tips, V-tips, U-tips, and nano tips and tape-ins as well. We are also providing customized wigs to the cancer patients on special discounts.
Okay, so that happens at your studio in Greater Noida.
Yes.
Oh my God, that's like a big range of products that you're catering to. Okay, so do you wear hair extensions frequently?
Yes, definitely. It is a part of my beauty routine, and you can check our Instagram at Gemeria Hair to get a brief idea of how often I play with my looks. I'm currently wearing some of them right now.
Really?
Yes.
I mean, I can't tell which ones.
These are my golden highlights. To get these golden highlights, I don't have to damage my hair. And it is also adding the volume in my hair.
Correct. Can you show us?
Yes.
That's like 2 seconds for gorgeous hair.
Yes, definitely.
Oh my God. Okay. So it also takes 2 seconds to clip it in?
Yes.
Wonderful. Wow. Great. So this was quite intriguing and very educational. I will meet you next time, but before that, please check the description box where I'm going to include the Instagram page she was talking about, and I'll meet you next time. So we say bye-bye gems together at the count of 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Bye-bye gems. Okay.